you are learning and what you want to do, and would you not feel frustrated if after 11 months of this course, the moment you are out from here and you feel totally bewildered and what to do now? Tell me. Please.
I am Sameer Khalifa from छत्तीसगढ़.
बोलिए, हिंदी में बोलिए.
मैं छत्तीसगढ़ से हूँ, समीर खलीफा. हम लोग एक CG नेट स्वरा में काम करते हैं, जो एक मोबाइल बेस्ड प्लेटफॉर्म है न्यूज़ सर्विस के लिए. ये सिटीजन जर्नलिज्म टाइप का प्रोग्राम है. तो मैं यहाँ इसलिए हूँ कि उसको प्रमोट करने के लिए जो जरूरी ट्रेनिंग है पाने के लिए यहाँ हूँ. इसके बाद मैं जाऊँगा छत्तीसगढ़ और झारखंड एरिया में इस चीज़ को आगे ले जाएंगे.
अब मैं आपको CG नेट के बारे में थोड़ा सा बताता हूँ कि CG नेट में काम करने वाले हर आदमी के पीछे पुलिस ने बंदूक लेकर सिर पर बंदूक लगा के खड़ी हुई है. CG नेट एक ऐसा हथियार है जो गांव में रहने. कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी और शुड आई टॉक इन इंग्लिश? हाँ, इट्स फाइन. And whatever the language you would say. Hindi?
Everyone understands.
You understand? You understand Hindi? No. CG net is a weapon which can change the society, which can change the government, which can change the system, which can remove the exploiters from the society. Because the tribals would have direct access to give information to a media about their plights, about their exploitation, about police atrocities, about the state violence, and in turn, the CG net would broadcast it to the people who want to know about them. Am I right?
Yeah.
The CG net people are not being allowed to fix their server in Chhattisgarh, and all the time they are running with their server to different places. The poor Adivasis who are giving their information on the CG net, they don't have any money, they don't have any source of income. They are spending money from their pocket. Because every call they make, they have to spend money at the rate of the STD. It is the biggest and challenging example of citizen journalism, CG net. This gentleman is training himself for the CG net. He is not becoming a professional journalist to earn his livelihood. He is here to acquire knowledge, strength and technology to equip himself to serve the poor tribals. Am I right?
Yes.
So I will not go deep into what he is doing, because what he is doing is being done by my close friend Mr. Shubhranshu Chaudhary. What we are discussing here is professional journalism. What he is doing is an individual case. I mean, his own desire to serve at any cost. And there are very few like this gentleman. Very few. I would admire his courage for being here and doing this kind of journalism. Not many would dare do it. What we are discussing here is why we are doing journalism. Why? What is the reason? Why didn't we go into any other profession? And I tell you, I am an engineer. I did my electrical engineering way back in '67, and after that I did a number of courses in journalism from India and abroad. And at any stage, even if I did not have any job, and my kids were very small, and still I was struggling, at no stage I thought of giving up journalism. I continued with my passion of journalism. So there must be some reason. No money, no glamour, no mission. Still there is something. I want to know from you that why? There must be something within you which must be brought up, which must be explored. And you must know that thing, that why you are here. And what you will achieve in life by your being here. I think that quest must lead you to doing great things in journalism, because it's a wonderful world. To journalism, something great. You come to know things you would never know even if you are not into that thing. You will meet the kind of people you have never met them. You would have no access to them if you are not into the field of media. I mean, Bollywood has a lot of glamour, but the counting would end after 5. I mean, the number one is, there are 5 heroes and 5 heroines. They run the entire several $billion business. If I ask you to list the number of great heroes and heroines, you will end up listing 4, 5, 6. Still the show is going there, and more than 400, 500 films are being made in India. I want you to, this is our first meeting, and maybe we'll meet again if you would want. I want you to first explore that why you are here. What you want to achieve?
First thing is, in this field, we can learn end of the day, till end of the day. And second thing is experience, what you will get. In other field, we can't take so much experience like in this field, in journalism.
क्या चीज होती है ऐसी? आप कुछ भी काम करें, बहुत अनुभव तो मिलता है।
नहीं, इसमें जो अनुभव मिलता है, बहुत विभिन्न प्रकार के अनुभव मिलते हैं और बहुत सारे डेली नए अनुभव मिलते हैं। और
इसमें the kind of experience you get is unique, but what you learn here is a technique to share that experience with others. How you can connect yourself emotionally with others. How can you make part of your feelings the society, the country? How can you integrate others into your thoughts? कोई सी चीज हो, बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें आपको कहेगी कि अरे इसमें तो बहुत बड़ी खबर है. It's like that. So once you have realized that the potential of your being in journalism, I tell you, there will be an explosion of information and knowledge, and that only will make you different. Because I told you there are so many people are working in Bollywood, but still a few are making names. There are only a few hundreds of people are working in electronic media. You talked about 4 or 5 names. If I ask you about the print journalism, I don't think you'll be able to name more than 5 people. Can anybody? प्रिंट में ऐसे कौन से बड़े लोग हैं जिनके नाम आपको याद हैं? Any great editor of the print?
एक तो सर डी साहब याद हैं और दूसरे हिंदुस्तान के एडिटर शशि शेखर जी हैं और शशि गुप्ता हैं इंडियन एक्सप्रेस के।
So I have one question about print journalism. Is print journalism is dead in India? Because there was a meeting with the Prime Minister, all media persons were interacting, and there were a lot of senior editors of television, but almost senior editors of television, but I haven't saw some
I'll tell you.
from the print part.
Yes, yes, I'll tell you. Only television journalists, editors were called. No print journalist was called there. It was a meeting with the Prime Minister exclusively organized for the people in electronic media. There was a meeting with the Prime Minister of editors of print at his residence, in which I was also present. I mean, like these many editors of electronic, there was a meeting of print editors. So, in that meeting, I was also present. So, it was exclusively held for electronic. So, the first thing I would like to tell you that the only media which is growing in the country is print media. Print is not dead.
So one thing. On 18th of February, there was a seminar at Nehru Memorial. It was Media on Corruption, Lapdog and Watchdog. This line was spoken by the IIM ex-professor Rajdeep, Mr. Rajdeep. He told that print journalism is dead. Jagdeep Chokar.
Kaun?
Jagdeep Chokar is a former professor in IIM in Ahmedabad, and now he is based in Delhi after retirement.
I don't know because
And he is not a journalist, he is a management.
because I think to
And many of them were agreed. Then we heard the sound, noises, yes, after he told that print journalism is dead in India. Then I heard many noises like the yes, among the audiences, among the, some were sitting in the front of the seat, they were some from the print media, so they told yes. So is it like...
see, the best thing for you would be to talk to the people who are working into print journalism, not the people who are not there in the profession. If you happen to meet the people serving into the journal media and they are into print, to talk to them. Second thing, it's a very great institution, and you must be having access to all kinds of information, all figures about the growth of different media platforms in the country. Of the 10 top newspapers in the country, 10 top newspapers of the country, consistently, 5 are Hindi newspapers, 4 are other newspapers. They include other languages. Only 1 English newspaper, that is Times of India. And if you look at the growth of print media, is phenomenal in terms of circulation, in terms of revenue, in terms of job creation, in terms of expansion. All top media houses, print media houses, are bringing out editions from different parts of the country every day. So tell me, if print is dead, how it can happen?
But Shalini Singh from Times of India disagreed with him, and he is a
Sir,
social activity.
मेरा नाम मोहित जायसवाल है और जैसा प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा कि मीडिया, चाहे इसमें इलेक्ट्रॉनिक या प्रिंट जो भी हो, ये केवल हमारे रॉन्ग साइड को ही दिखाते हैं, ये हमारे अच्छे कार्यों को ही दिखाते हैं और ये हमारी छवि को धूमिल कर रहे हैं। क्या ये हमला नहीं है मीडिया पे?
देखिए, प्रधानमंत्री अगर कुछ कहते हैं उनको कहने का अधिकार है, क्योंकि मीडिया का काम प्रधानमंत्री की छवि को तो दुरुस्त करने का नहीं है। मीडिया का काम उस गरीब आदमी की छवि को ठीक करने का है जो भ्रष्टाचार, महंगाई और अव्यवस्था के कारण सबसे ज़्यादा पीड़ित है। तो हमको प्रधानमंत्री की चिंता करना है कि देश की चिंता करना है।
एक लोकतंत्र में एक विपक्ष की जो भूमिका होती है वो तो अपने कार्यों से पीछे हट रहा है, तो मीडिया भी वो विपक्ष
मीडिया
की
को करना पड़ता है, मीडिया को
भूमिका निभा रही है।
मीडिया विपक्ष की भूमिका नहीं निभा रहा है। मीडिया को जो भूमिका निभाना चाहिए वो मीडिया भूमिका निभा रहा है। अगर मीडिया सरकार का मुखपत्र बन के रह जाएगा तो फिर मीडिया की जरूरत क्या है, ये बताइए। पार्टी का मुखपत्र हो जाएगा, हाँ कोई खरीदेगा आपको? आप कौन सा अखबार पढ़ते हैं?
मैं दैनिक भास्कर पढ़ता हूँ।
इंग्लिश का कोई पढ़ते हैं?
सर, आपने कुछ दिनों पहले मेरी न्यूज़.com में एक सेमिनार में कहा था कि मीडिया मतलब जर्नलिज्म अब मिशन नहीं रह गया है।
मैं वही चीज़ अभी भी कह रहा हूँ, मैंने कोई बदला तो है नहीं बात को।
लोग हर आदमी अब वो अपने आप को फ्री महसूस कर रहा है, तो आप क्या चाहते हैं, मतलब फ्रीडम ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट?
फ्रीडम ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट कैसा?
नहीं, मतलब वो मिशन नहीं रह गया है, प्रोफेशन हो गया।
देखिए मिशन का मतलब ये है, मिशन से मतलब ये है कि आपको बहुत लंबा लेक्चर मुझे देना पड़ेगा। मिशन से मतलब ये है कि आज़ादी के पहले जब अखबार निकलते थे तब उनका एक मिशन था टू गेट रीड ऑफ ब्रिटिशर्स फ्रॉम द कंट्री एंड टू मेक द कंट्री independent, and the media fought for independence. You get my point? आज का जो मीडिया है वो पूरा का पूरा मार्केट ओरिएंटेड है, मार्केट उसको चलाता है। उसमें जो आपको पता है, एक अखबार जो आपको the one newspaper you purchase for 2 rupees, how much it actually costs?
30 rupees.
Not less than 10 rupees, even the newsprint. तो वो बाकी का 8 रुपये कहाँ से निकलता है? विज्ञापन से निकलता है। तो उसकी इकोनॉमिक्स को समझना पड़ेगा, मार्केट की इकोनॉमिक्स को समझना पड़ेगा, मीडिया की इकोनॉमिक्स को समझना पड़ेगा। और आने वाले ज़माने में हो सकता है आपको अखबार फ्री में मिलने लगे, तो 1 रुपये में तो इतना सस्ता अखबार कैसे, इतना मोटा अखबार 1.5 रुपये में, 2 रुपये में।
वो बात ठीक है, समझ में आती है, लेकिन जो न्यूज़ कंटेंट है क्या उसको या उसकी जो मटेरियलिटीज है उसको तय करने में कॉर्पोरेट हाउस दबाव में है? आप ऐसा में
आप जब काम करेंगे तब आपको पता चलेगा कि कैसे काम करते हैं। अपन अभी आप विद्यार्थी हैं तो अभी इस बहस में हमको नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए। अभी तो हमको ये बहस में पढ़ना चाहिए कि आप लोग यहाँ से निकल के जब जुलाई अगस्त में बाहर जाएंगे तब आपको क्या करना चाहिए, पहली चीज़। और आपको अपने आप को ये 3-4 महीने में किस तरह की तैयारी करना चाहिए, जिससे कि आप बाज़ार में जब अपने आप को पेश करें, अपना जब CV बनाएं जॉब के लिए, तो उस CV में आपके पास क्या होना चाहिए? कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट यू शुड हैव इन योर CVs when you apply for jobs? What qualification you must be having when you go into market for seeking jobs? What will make you different if you are a pass out from IMII? You are a PG diploma holder, PG holder from here. What makes you different from an IIMC graduate or different from any other media school? You should be having some extra qualification, something extra to offer. You should be having some brilliant ideas, some great story ideas. You should be having some. Suppose I give you a subject right now. Come on, write on this subject. Prime Minister's interaction with electronic media editors. What is your take on that thing? Can you produce a copy in 10 minutes or 15 minutes? That is the challenge. You must have watched Prime Minister speaking, answering to questions of different great editors, including Pranay Roy and Rajdeep Sardesai and Everybody? आपने देखा है? देखा है? If I ask you, give you an exercise to do me a copy of 300 words or 400 words explaining with intro, inverted pyramid, do a copy. And you must have read the reports in different newspapers also next morning. You must have read editorials also. You must have read comments also. And suppose I give you a task right now, give me a copy, can you do it? That give me an understanding of how you understand the Prime Minister of this country. That will give me an understanding that how much you know about 2G scam or corruption, or the question he has raised about the media attacking the Prime Minister and Prime Minister saying that you only, they are not giving good things about the government only. This is a challenge. This is an exercise. बोलिए, मैं आपसे पूछता हूँ, देते हैं कॉपी? मुश्किल का है?
मुश्किल है लेकिन नामुमकिन
नहीं, नामुमकिन तो कुछ नहीं। इसलिए I think for today's, if you have any question, we can certainly deliberate. मैं आप लोगों से एक ही, I want to ask you only one thing. Think before we meet next. How to become a journalist differently. हम कुछ अलग कैसे बन जाए, और उसके लिए हमको क्या करना चाहिए, क्या सोचना चाहिए, क्या पढ़ना चाहिए। बहुत कंपटीशन है। देखिए, मैं आपको आखिर में एक छोटी सी बात कहता हूं। हर आदमी, एवरीबडी वांट्स टू लिव इन metropolises, Bombay, Delhi, Calcutta, Chennai. We all want to live in big towns because big towns glamour is different. But if you want to live in big towns, you will have very small rooms. You will have to compromise with a small space, with no parking slots. Sometimes you will be staying on the 20th floor in a small room. Some people who have better affordability can live on the first floor, ground floor. Some people would be residing in suburbs, some in the central part, some in South Delhi. Media or newspaper is the same thing. If you want a space on the first floor, means the front page of the newspaper, you have to be different. You have to be something very different, extra. You have to be a star. Your affordability of occupying that space should be different. Otherwise, you will find yourself pushed into inside pages, some remote corner, some small space, 4 line, 5 line, sometimes driven out. Editor saying that you don't have any space to accommodate. But if you are ready to move out to far-flung areas, small towns, small places, you have a lot of space to work, to experiment, to do things. Same thing in media also. So if you want to work in Delhi, Bombay, join some mainstream media, then your struggle will be totally different. If you want, if you are ready to spread out to regional places, small towns, small newspapers, then things will be totally different. So think over it and make a strategy so that after you are out from here, you are a great journalist. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks, sir. Thank you very much. I hope all of you will, the question that you raised is extremely pertinent. What is it you want to do after passing out? Where do you want to be? How prepared you are for it? The most important question, how prepared you are for it. Can you please come up with some answers to this so that when we request him to come in the second time, maybe he can clarify it?
Just get ready, with the answers. Why you are here? Why you want to become journalist? What you would do after, you are out from here and you are qualified? Huh? ठीक है? Thank you.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed.